Our goal as a group was to understand how water is a compassionate substance and how this is applicable to water that we encounter on a day-to-day basis. By testing out various types of water, we wanted to see how their content levels differed. We were interested in what levels of minerals were in the water we drink and how that contributes to our health. We used 3 different kinds: branded spring water, raw water sample, and tap water. For our first procedure, we tested total chlorine, which kills bacteria, viruses, and parasites, as well as eliminates mold and algae that grows on pipe walls and water tanks. It has an important role in maintaining healthy drinking water, and without it, distribution systems would be vulnerable to microbial contamination. Our group found relatively minimal amounts of chlorine for each type of water found. The highest concentration was from tap water, which is easily accessible, so we suspected that chlorine is added to tap water to ensure it is as safe as possible for people to drink. The second test was the search for ammonia levels, which is toxic to animals but non-toxic to humans. Ammonia can be used to purify water supplies, and a safe amount would be below 0.2 milligrams per liter. To have long-term digestion of water with more than 1 milligram per liter of ammonia would be damaging to internal organs. Following the results, raw water had the highest level of ammonia since it comes from the environment and has not been tampered with. Ammonia can enter aquatic environments through excretion of nitrogenous wastes from animals, runoff from agricultural lands, etc. We then tested the level of hardness for each type of water used. Measurements of hardness refers to the amount of distilled calcium and magnesium within the water. Spring and raw water are considered very hard. This poses no great threat, but is associated with dry skin and hair. According to McGill University, studies have generally found hard water to have positive effects on health, such as protecting drinkers against various cancers. It may also serve a protective role against atherosclerosis in children and teens. As a response to the question, is water somehow uniquely suited to acting as life's matrix, or does it just look that way to beings adapted to living in a watery world? We believe that it is both, however we focus more on how humans adapt and affect the way water is used. As humans, we can adapt to the abundance of water we have and alter it in such a way that we may benefit off of it, such as consumption. Water is a compassionate substance used primarily for health benefits, so looking at water from brands and the environment with and without treatment shows the abundance of its contents regardless of where it comes from.